With this bike especially, I've always wanted a GTA type angle. However, I never been able to be so confident that I would not lose the camera. You can get a selfie stick from Insta360, of course. I didn't believe it too much. So I've made my own clamp to make sure I can get the right angle and safety, so I will never lose my 360. Let me show you how it's done. What I've ended up doing was using a sticky mount at the back of the bike to get the right angle with the pivotable GoPro clamp. With this 1/2 inch or 1/4 inch screw screwed into this pole, which extends, and you can screw it right into the bottom of the camera. My secondary safety setup, since I have a grab rail on the back of the bike, I've got this strong mount that I can screw on there, 2 1-inch balls which are connected with this clamp, which is a tube holder, so I can ensure this does not fall down. And with this setup you can get shots like this.